Fuel prices are rising. Still feeling the pain at the pump. What's really behind this surge? Actually, it's not just about oil wells wars. Politics and market speculation are driving prices to new heights, and for business owners, this could threaten your profit margins and survival. In the last few days, fuel prices have been jumping unpredictably. This isn't just a number on a screen, it's affecting businesses across industries, from manufacturing to agriculture to construction. So, what's driving the surge? First, geopolitical shocks, wars, political tensions are disrupting global supply chains. Second, major oil producers adjusting supply. Fluctuating inventories are causing imbalances. Third, market speculation. Price swings are amplified by active speculation. Let's look at the impact across different industries. Manufacturing. Heavy industries like steel, cement, chemicals, and textiles are facing skyrocketing energy costs. Logistics and transportation, shipping, trucking, and aviation are seeing sharp fuel price hikes. Agriculture, farm machinery and crop transportation costs are soaring. Mining and construction, heavy machinery fuel needs are increasing. Backup power systems. Diesel generators are costing businesses much more. Therefore, it's necessary to develop alternative fuel business for sustainable operation. Fuel is not just a commodity, it's the lifeblood of these industries. Its instability directly impacts their competitiveness and sustainability. Accepting these price fluctuations passively isn't a long-term solution. Businesses must take control of their energy future. In the next episode, we'll dive into sustainable solutions that can turn waste into valuable fuel, helping your business secure energy independence and cost control. Don't miss it.
Doing waste to wealth. Fuel the future.